Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to edit a beautiful photo. Let's start. First, open the Photoshop and select the file. Next, select the background. Drag and drop it on the top of the another image. Then, unlock this image. Now, drag it on the top. Now, remove the background. Great, it's looking great. Now, we add the Gaussian blur, which makes it more beautiful. Now export it. You can use JPG or PNG as you like. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more.